When a new face enters the media industry, he looks quite fresh and energetic. He even stands out from the crowd. But with time, he faces midlife crisis and looks quite old and needs something to stand out from the rest crowd. And at that time, he needs some flashy clothes, new shoes, or maybe a new cap on the head. Similar in the automotive industry, automotive manufacturer comes up with a new product, its new car, which stands out from the crowd. It looks fresh, but with time, around 2 or 3 years, it loses its own factor. And then is the time that a new facelift or a special variant is launched. But the Tata Motors is taking this quite differently. Tata Motors launched the Tata Safari in the regular variant as well as a special variant last month. The Tata Safari Adventure Persona. Tata Safari Persona is quite different from the regular Safari. And to tell you about that, I would be using the word black quite often. So here I am on the Speed Hounds channel, your host Shravan Reis, to take you through a walk around video of the Tata Safari Adventure Persona. The Adventure Persona variant is available with manual as well as automatic transmission and 6-seater or a 7-seater configuration. But the only difference is that it is available only in the Tropic Mist exterior color. Let me take you through the Safari Adventure Persona. Now, at a first glance, the Safari Persona Adventure Edition really stands out with the blacked out grille, which makes the logo really stand out. The blacked out elements are covered in chrome on the regular Safari. Going down, the headlamp and fog lamp cluster is also wrapped in black instead of chrome. And not to miss the skid plate, which is covered in black instead of silver as opposed on the regular Safari. Another black element that really makes the Persona variant stand out is the Safari badging on the bonnet in black. The Safari is based on the Land Rover platform and the badging on the bonnet is also Land Rover inspired. At the side, the profile looks much better than the regular Safari with black elements and chrome deletion. It looks much more appealing and macho. The 18-inch alloys carry the same design as on the regular Safari, but are again finished in a darker gunmetal kind of a shade. You also get black strips on the door handles and blacked out roof rails instead of chrome. At the back, the Safari badge, skid plate and exhaust tips are blacked out instead of chrome. Say hello to the interiors, and I must tell you, this is a variant that one must actually buy. Now why is that? Because most of the complaints that one can have from the Tata Safari has been solved in this particular variant. For example, the seats are now finished in beige kind of a shade instead of white as available on the regular Tata Safari variant. Safari being a rugged SUV and considering the dusty Indian conditions, white shade should have been given a miss in the first place. But that's been solved in the Persona variant. The dashboard instead of black and white scheme is now finished in full black. The brushed silver trim on the dash and the steering and phone holder on the back of the center armrest also gets black treatment. Door pad, grab handles in the center console on the front doors and back doors also get the same tan or the beige finish like on the seats. The Tata Safari Adventure Persona is available with the same 2.0 liter Kyrotech diesel engine with 170 PS of power and 350 Newton meters of torque. It is available with the same 6-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmission in 6-seater as well as 7-seater configuration. Now the adventure oriented variant of Tata Safari looks much better than the regular variant. If someone is opting for the XZ Plus or XZA Plus variant, I must say one must go for the Adventure Persona edition at just 20,000 bucks over the regular variant. This is the Safari that one should actually opt for. So goodbye, and I will be back with another video soon. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.